I've been starting to play a new game called Anime Card Clash, and I've been grinding cards for a moment like this. There's like 138 seconds for the full moon to end, so I'm gonna just put on 5 big large luck potions and these 5 large cooldown reduction potions, and I have a lot of cards also, so let's start opening them. So first of all, let's do 5 instant 500 rolls, so 5,000 rolls basically. Let's just skip all. I can't wait. Oh, 500,000! My best is 100,000. Oh, this is going well. And I'll just do instant 500 rolls this time. Just see. Oh, 20,000, not bad. Not bad at all. Instant 1,000 rolls. Let's get it. Oh, not that good though. Not gonna lie. That's compared to the 5,000 roll we did. Oh, pretty good. We gotta get some crazy. Holy God! What? Now we got the final boss here. The 5,000 roll packs. This took me so long to get, bro. Skip. I can't wait. No, hold up. It's a fucking support card. Are you serious? At least I got like new overpowered stuff. Yeah, White Ghoul's actually my best. But now we got this. Yo guys, this is really good. And yeah, this is actually my current. Yeah, don't laugh at me. Huh? Hey, I don't know. 20% chance to heal 15% of its whole health. Definitely going to change some, man. Yeah, we need that. Oh yeah, that's really good because not a lot of people have better cards than that. Huh?
Tell me about yourself.
Oh, super.
27 ஓட முடிக்கறாங்க. இங்க பாரு more color करो और नाम लिखो. more னு இது ஒண்ணே தான் எழுத போறீங்க.
Okay.
Alright
guys, so I just rolled the most intense packs and most of my good packs are actually support cards. But yeah, that's all for the video. I can't believe that long. Oh, you still have that? Oh, look at. Let's roll all of these. I won't try to get anything good. Skip all of it. Yo. How the hell did I already get a new best after this into 1,000? 3,500, pretty good. That's the last one. Let's do it. Come on! Yeah, I probably wasn't expecting anything better, but now I got a new best. We got a new best right now. Healing fit. By the way, guys, so if you wanna invite me to play with you or something, any game, I will download it and then join you if it's necessary. But I will join any game that you say if you subscribe and you just type out the game. Yeah, the only requirement is for you to subscribe. That's all. I'm not saying anything crazy. I'm just asking for a simple thing. If you could, then that would be a honor for me. But yeah, guys, that's all for the video. Bye!